vision, spirit, creativity. Forces that drive discovery and innovation. Forces at work in American industry. Improving life today. Inspiring progress tomorrow.
Located in the heart of Manhattan, the firm of Levy, Phillips, and Konigsberg has been recognized as a natural leader, setting high standards to protect the rights of individuals. For over a generation, the firm has consistently won landmark cases that have enhanced the safety of workers and consumers.
Firm started in 1985 when a group of us decided to form a firm in order to specialize in personal injury and product liability litigation. The mission of the firm, the purpose of the firm, is to provide exceptional legal services to people who are seriously injured as a result of exposure to harmful chemicals and harmful products, and are not able to really get effective legal services without working with a firm such as ours, which does contingent fee litigation.
We're very interested in making sure that the people we represent get individualized attention. And when you're dealing with something like a mass tort, that can be difficult if you represent too many people. So we try to limit the number of people that we represent so that we can give them the kind of attention they deserve.
Every day, millions of Americans are exposed to environmental hazards, unsafe working conditions, or defective products that can cause injury even without knowing.
Companies, industries aren't necessarily there to regulate themselves, which is why there's government regulation. But government regulation can only go so far. And we find oftentimes that people are injured by products, by chemicals, because there are no warnings, because they don't understand that there can be harm caused by a certain use of that product.
Legal action to protect the rights of individuals is usually the only alternative to change malpractices. Unfortunately, such changes are adopted once an accident or calamity has taken place.
An individual suit may or may not have an effect, but when numbers of suits occur due to the same type of exposure or the same type of inadequate warning, it has an impact on the manufacturers because it begins to hurt them in their pocketbook. When that happens, conduct changes.
Tort reform is a way to permit companies to continue doing business the way they want to do business and to provide some kind of limited compensation scheme for people who are injured. But the problem with tort reform is that as you do that, companies are going to become more lax because they're going to realize that the problem is no longer on their shoulders.
In times of need, it is important to have the best possible legal representation. That's why it is essential to always look for the firm that has the experience and the track record that can better serve you.
We care about the clients, and we work hard, and we have the capability of providing outstanding legal service for those clients.
It's our goal to keep a vigilant watch on the kinds of injustices that are occurring. And it could be with respect to harmful products, to chemicals in the workplace. A lot of our time, money, and effort will be before any lawsuit's even brought to investigate if there really is a claim. And that's one of the things that we pride ourselves on.
When we started in 1985, we were 5 lawyers. We're 20 lawyers now. We've expanded over the years into different areas. We've moved from plain torts into asbestos, into lead paint, into computer chip cases. We've been involved in drug litigation. We're constantly exploring new fields and new ways of preventing harm and protecting individuals.